Hi friends, today we are going to make a canto farfetch. First draw the following puzzles and cut them. After that assemble them using glue. All know that farfetch holds its stuff in between its fingers, so we have to fold the finger like this. Yes, and after that see. And now we have to join it and cover it with newspaper. So watch carefully the trick. It is the time for covering farfetch with newspaper. So tear small newspaper pieces and apply glue and stick to the body. Friends, we have covered farfetch body with newspaper, only covering wings and head is left. Like we covered the farfetch body, cover the stuff too like this. Friends, we have completely covered farfetch body with newspaper, but it's not able to stand, so we have to make it stand. First, cut his legs. This time, I'm going to make farfetch legs in a different manner, so that it will be strong enough to make farfetch stand. First time, cutting in the basic shape of a duck leg and making the claws like this, cutting the rectangular shape and joining them, so it will become a 3D puzzle like this. Now we have to cover this with newspaper. and paint him. Red, green, white is equal to pale brown. Pale brown is the color which is used for painting Farfetch. Remember, red should be in the more quantity. Here's how to enter in Farfetch. He has no pupils. We should make his pupils now. Farfetch, you want to tell something to our friends?
Farfetch.